Here are the top 5 natural and herbal hair growth tips you need to know. Rosemary oil is one of the best herbs for hair growth and is clinically proven to stimulate hair follicles naturally. Apply aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a powerful natural remedy for scalp health. Aloe soothes inflammation, reduces dandruff, and helps unclog follicles for faster hair growth. Massage your scalp with castor oil. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, boosts circulation, and acts as a natural hair growth treatment, especially when applied regularly. Drink herbal teas like nettle and horsetail. These are packed with silica and antioxidants, promoting hair strength from within. Eat hair-boosting foods rich in biotin, zinc, and vitamin E, like spinach, almonds, and avocados. Like, share and subscribe for more natural and herbal health tips. This content is for informational purposes only and not medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com.